At the start of a relationship, everything feels electric. Constant messages, late night talks, novelty, excitement, and dopamine. But as time passes, the spark fades, and suddenly comfort starts to feel like distance. If long-term love leaves you feeling restless, guilty, or disconnected from yourself, that's not failure. That's your AuDHD brain adjusting to stability after intensity. So let's take a look at why feeling not cut out for long-term love might actually mean something very, very different. Welcome to AuDHD Bites. Let's get our teeth sank in, shall we? Sustaining love hits some heavy friction points for our AuDHD brains. ADHD thrives on novelty. The early rush of discovery keeps dopamine high, but routine lowers the stimulation. Autism craves predictability. Comfort feels safe, yet sameness can blur into stagnation. And when you mix these issues, your system swings between, I love this person so much, and yet, why do I feel understimulated? It's not a loss of love. It's your nervous system recalibrating from a temporary outdoor fire to a cozy indoor central heating system fit for a home. A nice thought, right? But it throws up that horrible question. Why don't I want that cozy central heating system? Why am I like a moth to the flame when it comes to temporary situationships? What's wrong with me? Oosh. Self-blame. Not on this channel. We don't do self-blame on AuDHD Bites. So let's take all of that guilt and doubt and confusion about ourselves, and let's reframe it. Calm love isn't boring. It's secure. Your brain just isn't used to safety lasting this long. That quiet phase where everything feels steady, that's what real intimacy looks like. You're not losing the spark. You're getting the opportunity to learn how long-term warmth feels instead of chasing those short-lived fires. I know. Easy to understand in theory, but hard to live out in practice, right? Especially if you've never felt long-term love and safety and only ever had the chance to experience temporary satisfaction from intensity. And just to be clear, this isn't me saying everyone should want long-term relationships. Being single, choosing alternative relationship structures, or not prioritizing romance at all are all valid ways to live. But if you want long-term love, and you're beating yourself up for feeling not cut out for it, that's where the advice in this video might help. So, strategy time! 1. Keep novelty small and mutual. Try new meals, playlists, or shared rituals. Just enough change to feed curiosity without chaos. Exploring novelty works because it keeps dopamine gently engaged without destabilizing the safety that your relationship and nervous system relies on. 2. Reclaim your solo identity. Long-term connection works best when both parties still feel whole. Keeping your individual hobbies, your individual space, and separate friend groups can help your nervous system remember who you are outside of the relationship. This reduces pressure and supports a secure attachment style. Think of independence as regulation, not distance, and you may find all those fears of abandonment simply fade away. 3. And this is an important one. Communicate your nervous system needs. Tell your partner what regulation looks like for you. Maybe quiet parallel time or affectionate check-ins. Communicating your needs turns difference into teamwork, and that teamwork of sharing the load builds relationship and strengthens attachment. Key takeaway? Wanting intensity doesn't mean you're bad at long-term love. It means your nervous system learned passion before it learned safety. And there's nothing wrong with that, because that's history, not destiny. So if long-term love ever feels confusing, remember, your brain isn't broken. It's just wired for intensity. Real intimacy isn't letting the fire go out. It's upgrading your Gothic castle with a reliable central heating system and a warm radiator in every room. And it's my sincere hope that in those warm, comfortable rooms you find safety, trust, and the freedom to discover new forms of closeness without losing yourself. This has been AuDHD Bites, Goth brain guidance for ADHD, autism, and AuDHD. If this episode has been useful, click like, subscribe, and drop a bat emoji in the comments section so that I know who I'm talking to. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting my neurodivergent-led efforts. Until next time, bye humans!